Hi guys, welcome back to the Piano Chords for Beginners series. This is going to be a short and sweet lesson going over the basics of slash chords. So firstly, what are slash chords? You've probably seen them around, they're quite common, and they look like this. Things like A over C sharp, or G over A, or B minor over A. And they're basically just a shorthand to describe more complex chords. So how do you play them? Well, every slash chord has two bits of information. The first letter, on the left, indicates what chord should be played, and the second letter, on the right, tells us the bass note, or the note that should be played underneath the chord with the left hand. So looking at this first example, A over C sharp. This simply means that we play an A major triad with our right hand and the note C sharp in our left. So that would look like this. But we could also play any inversion of the A chord in our right hand. So we could play this, and we could also play this. So this is just an A chord, but with the C sharp on the bottom. Therefore, the A over C sharp notation could just be played as an A major in its second inversion. Looking at a slightly different example, G over A. Once you understand the basics of slash chords, they become very easy to play. So all we do here is play a G chord with the note A in the bass. And the reason this notation is so good is because it simplified a chord that would otherwise not be quite as simple to play. So technically, this chord is an A sus7, and it resolves very nicely to the fifth below. But the main point here is that a very simple slash chord can be used to notate a more complex chord. One more example. A major 7 over B. So again, we play an A major 7 in our right hand and a B in our left. And using a relatively basic notation, this gives us a seriously nice, big sounding suspended chord, which technically is a B sus13. But when learning these, you don't really need to worry about what the technical name of the chord is, as long as you understand that slash chords are a simplified way of writing more complex chords, then you're all good to go. So that was just a very quick overview on slash chords, and hopefully you now feel confident enough to go out and start playing them. If you found this lesson useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that little red bell so you don't miss any groovy new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.